On today's episode, Dad adds garlic.
I have to add garlic to everything.
The kiddo wants more screen time.
And it's been too long since I was on the show.
And Dad forgot how to make videos.
I think I'm supposed to do something here. What's up, everybody, and welcome to Dad Got This. We're back. I know it's been a while. It's super hard to cook during this whole thing. I got this one in the house doing school and all sorts of stuff, so it makes cooking hard and filming cooking even harder. But we're back, and we're gonna do a super quick and super easy recipe. This is my take on the 100-year-old recipe for Fettuccine Alfredo. We're gonna make this a little bit different because Dad has to add garlic. I have to add garlic to everything. The original recipe is literally fettuccine, butter, Parmesan cheese, and pasta water. That's all you need. This thing goes together fast. I've got some water boiling over on the stove, and then we're gonna go ahead and throw our pasta in and get going, and we're gonna jump right into this one. All right, guys, I'm back. I'm cooking. It's been too long.
And it's been too long since I was on the show.
So I'm only doing a half recipe. You'll just double this if you are doing a full serving. This is a ½ pound of pasta, quarter stick of butter, and a ½ cup of Parmesan cheese. That's it. Add as much garlic as you like. And then I add a couple of turns of fresh black pepper. Neither of those are in the original recipe. I like them. And I like my Alfredo garlicky and a little peppery. But to make this, we gotta grate some cheese. You could use the regular stuff, but it just comes out so much better if you use real Parmesan cheese and grate it. So I'm gonna grate up about a ½ cup. This takes a little time, but it is worth it for your finished product. Should be about close. Got a big pot of water boiling here on the stove. Tip, make sure you use enough water when you boil your pasta. That's gonna help it cook properly, not stick. Get much better pasta if you use enough water. Don't just use a tiny bit of water. Second tip, make sure you salt your water appropriately. For a big pot of water like this, I'll use about 1 to 2 tablespoons, but you can always adjust your salt level to what you like. And keep in mind, if you're gonna use salt in the sauce, salty pasta will adjust and affect that sauce. I am using dried pasta, so it's 12 minutes for al dente pasta. Alexa, set a timer for 12 minutes. Now, fettuccine has a tendency to stick, so you're gonna wanna make sure you're constantly kind of moving them around and stirring them and pushing them around. It's gonna help you get a little bit better, less sticky pasta. The next step is we're gonna take this pan and we're just gonna warm it. We don't want it hot, so we're just gonna take it and we're gonna put it on low while the pasta cooks. Just to get it a little bit warm, because all you're doing is using the heat of the pasta to really melt the cheese and the butter and the pasta water and kind of really get everything going well.
While the pan's warming, throw your butter and your garlic in the pan.
All right, we're back. Now it's time for the easy part. We're gonna take our pasta, put it in our warmed pan that has had our butter and our garlic going in it. I got my pasta in here. And you just start tossing. Now we add some pasta water. This is what's gonna help make everything nice and creamy. It helps melt that cheese. A few twists of black pepper for Dad. And you can adjust. You can add more cheese, more butter, more pasta water, until you get it as saucy as you like. A little more cheese. Garlicky, creamy, cheesy. I think I'm supposed to do something here. Cook the food. It's been a while. Made the food, videoed the food. Oh, Dad doesn't do outros. So that's it.
Hey, thanks for watching my video. Consider subscribing and maybe giving this video a thumbs up. That would really help me out. I'm bringing it back. Actually, I double dog dare you to subscribe. Ooh, threw down the double dog dare. Now you gotta do it. You got no choice. Those are the rules.